Hey guys, it is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Where have y'all been? Oh my God, I've been recuperating from the NOLA Southern Experience. Oh my God, 2022, it was off the chain. Thank you everyone for your support. So I am back, I'm well rested, and let's get started. But before I do, let me stress y'all out for a minute. So first of all, if you've never watched this channel before, this is a line dance teaching channel where I take a line dance and give you the step-by-step instructions. So if you like this channel, check this out. Make sure you subscribe, share with your family and friends. And at the end of this video, this instructional, I'm going to pin the demo so we can dance along with the music, okay? So check that out. So let me stress y'all out a minute. So let me tell you this. So I'm gonna tell you this, I'm gonna stress you out a minute, but hold up. I don't want you to get in your feelings, okay? So before you get in your feelings, because I know you're gonna get in your feelings, I want you to listen to what I have to say. Check this out. Stop telling people I teach too slow. Listen, stop it. I don't teach too slow. You've become a better student. Think about that. I used to be the next thing better than bread and butter. I was on the top of the list. Like, girl, she's just my speed. Now I'm too slow. No, you've become a better student. Okay? So what you need to do is take that little needle right there and move it along to just where you need to be. Okay? You're getting better. So stop telling people I'm teaching too slow. I'm teaching at the same speed. All right, guys. So this next line dance I'm going to teach you is called The Warmth of You. And it's out of Virginia by Akili Mclamore. And if you're in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Let's go. So, child, it's been 3 months since I posted a video. So let's stand over here. Stand right here on this side of the room. Okay? Now, this line dance has a couple turns in it. But the next time we start the dance, from the very top, we're going to be at this wall to our right. So that means the line dance moves clockwise. Okay, so keep that in mind. When we start from the top, from the very beginning, with the first step, we'll be at this wall. So that means the line dance moves clockwise. So let's get started. Okay, the weight is on our left, and we're going to start with just a simple cha-cha. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and right, left, rock, left, right, back, right, left. Now we're going to take that shoulder, bring it forward with the same step, making a half turn, which is right, rock, left, right. Okay? So all we did was come forward and turn with the right shoulder coming forward, making a half turn, right, rock, left, right. Let's put that together. So we did a cha-cha up on the right, and we did a half turn with the right shoulder moving forward. 5, 6, 7, and right, rock, left, right, back, left, rock, right, left, turn, right, left, right. Okay? So the next step, last step was on our right. So now we're going to shuffle up on the left. The last step was on our right. So we did left, right, and then we're going to shuffle. Making that half turn. We made that half turn. We're going forward on our left leg. Left, right, left. That's all we do. Okay? My right heel is up. I'm going to step. I'm going to do my very first turn. So I went left, left. I'm going to step, pivot, quarter to my left. So I'm actually getting a chance to look at the wall that I'm going to. So from here, I shuffle left. 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, step on the right, pivot quarter to your left. My heel is up, I'm gonna do a cross step. Cross and cross, rock left, right, cross and cross. Okay? So I crossed over after I did my turn. Cross and cross. Step, pivot on the left. And then cross and cross on the left. Cross and cross. Okay, still looking at this wall. This is our new wall. Just getting the chance to look at it. So let's go back to the top. We're doing a cha-cha up on the right. Shoulder come forward, half turn, right, rock, left, right. We shuffle up on the left, right, left, step, pivot, quarter to your left, right, left, going to the right, crossing over, right, with your right foot, step out on the left and pivot and cross again, left, right, left. So let's take it there. 5, 6, 7, and right, rock, left, right, rock, right, left, half, right, rock, left, right, shuffle, left, step, pivot, quarter, right, step, pivot, left. Okay? From here, see my heel is up, I'm going back to my original wall. Step, pivot, quarter to my left. Pivot on that right, quarter to my original wall. My heel is up, my right heel is up. I'm gonna walk it out. Right, left, right. Now it's time to turn to my new wall. Right, left. Do that quarter turn to your left. Out and cross, out and tap, lift. Do that again. So I walk right, left, right. Turn to your right, quarter turn, step on your left, out and cross, out and tap, lift. In the dance, you're at your new wall. Okay? So let's go back to the top. Let's do a review. That's the dance. We do a regular cha-cha. So this is our wall right here. We move, the dance move clockwise. So this will be our new wall. Okay? So that means it's a 4-wall dance. So we're going to move clockwise. We start back at the top to the wall that's to the right. So this is our original wall. We do a regular cha-cha. We're going to turn forward, do a half turn. We do a rock recover, left, right. We shuffle up on the left. Left, right, left. We make our quarter turn to our left. Step on that right, quarter turn, cross over, right, step, pivot, left, step, pivot, walk it out, right, quarter turn, out and cross, out and tap, lift. Out and cross, out and tap, lift. Okay? Now, let's take it from there. 5, 6, 7 from the top. Right, rock, left, right, back, left, rock, right, left, half turn, right, shuffle left, quarter turn to your left, cross and cross, pivot on the left, cross and cross, quarter turn, walk on your right, quarter turn to your right, out and cross, tap, lift. Okay, now, let's put it to the count. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, half, 1 and 2, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8, cross, 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, cross, 5 and 6, pivot, 7, 8, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Okay? So instructors, call out the step first, okay, and then give the count. The count is going to give you your tempo, okay? Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4 left. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. All right, that's the dance. The warmth of you. All right, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Am I teaching too fast, teaching too slow? But I already told you what to do if I'm teaching too slow, okay? The warmth of you. Remember, I'm going to pin the demo so we can learn this dance together. Also, go over to put the warmth of you. You'll see Akili Mclamore do it with the demo, and she does the instructional, okay? Always check that out. So if I do a misstep or whatever, you always follow the choreographer, okay? I try my best to make sure I get every step, but sometimes I miss something. But always follow the choreographer, okay? So there it is. So let's dance together. If you like this dance, look at the demo first. If you like it, at the end of the demo, I'll pin the instructional. Learn the step-by-step if you like it, and then at the end of the instructional, I'll pin the demo, and you can always do it to the music. Make sure you share this video with your colleagues, with your instructors, and let's dance together. Again, thank you for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2022. We had a blast. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.